Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So as you know from the title above, today I'll be talking about my monthly favorites for the month of April. So I've been wanting to start this series since a very long time, and I even posted a video on my Instagram a while back talking about my monthly favorites, but then I could not continue with the series. So I'm back and I'll be surely continuing with the series, and I'll be posting my favorites every month. I'm not gonna stick to a particular niche. I'm gonna include skincare, makeup, electronics, any food items that I really like, any home care stuff, or anything that I really enjoyed using in that particular month. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first product I want to talk about is this Mogra water, pure Mogra water from Kama Ayurveda. I have previously spoken about the pure rose water that I've used from Kama Ayurveda, and I really liked it. I ended up finishing that bottle that I purchased, and now I've purchased another fragrance. This is also a fragrance that is really refreshing. There's no particular reason why I went for this one, but honestly I like it more than the pure rose water. It refreshes. It is very refreshing, and I usually keep it in my refrigerator because ab garmiya, so I like it to be very chilled. And trust me guys, it refreshes me so much in the morning. I like to apply it any time of the day and whenever I'm feeling very dull, and it just rejuvenates my body and my skin, and I feel really very fresh. It's just amazing. The second item I want to talk about is this moisturizing cream from Cetaphil. So earlier I was using my Cleanse Matte moisturizer from Avene, and I did like it, and I purchased it twice, but honestly I did not want to continue using it. My dermatologist gave me this moisturizer a while back before the Avene one, and I've started using this again, and honestly this is a moisturizer which works well for oily combination as well as dry skin. But even after having oily acne prone skin, it does not break out at all, and it moisturizes my face really well. So I recommend this one highly. And when it comes to the price point of view also, it is not that expensive. It's not at all expensive, and yeah, it works pretty fine. Next product I want to talk about is this lip sleeping mask from Lineage. If you've seen my skincare videos, I always use this lip sleeping mask. It smells divine, and it is one of my favorite. I mean, I do not use it as a lip balm, but it is one of my favorite lip products. I love to apply it during the night time, and sometimes even if my lips are feeling very dry and I cannot find my get hands on my lip balm, then I usually like to use this one also as a lip balm also. But at night I like to take a lot of it and apply on my lips, and then I go to sleep, and my lips feel really moisturized in the morning as well. And due to my medication, I have really dry lips these days, but this one makes sure that my lips aren't dry at all. Even when I wake up in the morning, they are pretty much moisturized, and it works pretty fine. So I highly suggest this lip sleeping mask. I've even tried the Dot and Key one and few more lip sleeping masks, but this one is the best, trust. Okay guys, so the next product is this lip gloss from Dior. I am somebody who likes to use all my lip shades and lipsticks are mostly in brownish tone. I really like dark lip shades, something in brown or brownish pink. I do not like the bright ones, zyada pink side pe, ya fir orangish, and subtle nudes. I don't like them. So this one lip gloss I do not use barely on my lips. Very rarely I'll use it like that. I usually like to top it on my browns, and it works very well. It gives me a very nice glossy look, and it works very fine. If you've seen my the vlog I posted 2-3 videos back, I used this on my Lancome lipstick, and it worked pretty well. So yeah, this is one lip gloss I really love, but I really like to top it on my lip shades. So that is how I use it. Guys, so the next product is this lipstick from Bobbi Brown that I got my hands on a while back only. It's the crushed lip color in cranberry. So as I told you guys, I am not somebody who likes subtle browns or subtle nudes, so this is how this lipstick is, and it's a maroonish brown lipstick, and I love this lipstick. I very rarely apply it during the daytime, but on black dresses and black clothes it works just fine, and it's one of my favorite lipsticks now. It's a very sexy color, so yeah, I really suggest you guys to get your hands on this lipstick. It's a very, very sexy one. Okay guys, so the next one I want to talk about is this Burberry body. It's a perfume. It's my 4th or 5th bottle of this perfume. It's a very, very sexy perfume. So I am somebody, I do not like sweet fragrances or vanilla fragrances, or those cherry and very sweet fragrances. I am not at all a fan. I really like strong fragrances, rich fragrances, and trust me, if you are somebody who likes such fragrances, just close your eyes, just follow my suggestion and get your hands on this perfume. It is really, really good. I told you it's my 4th or 5th bottle. It is a very sexy perfume, and it has a very, very rich and strong fragrance. So enough of the skincare and the makeup. Now I just want to share a few products. So there's one electronic appliance that I've been using and really liking. It's from Portronics, and it is a USB port. So basically यहाँ पे you can put your type C charger, which is basically for your iPhone X, 11, 12 वो सारों के लिए, and on this one you can put your, I don't know which port you call it, जो normal iPhone chargers होते हैं, that one, and you can charge 2 iPhones at the same time, and it's a fast charger at the same time. अब मेरे को इतना details उसमें नहीं पता कि कितना वो है, कितना it's वो सब, but yeah, I mean, I'm going to link down the product below, and it's a very nice charger. It's a fast charger, works just like the Apple fast charger, and the plus point is you can charge 2 phones at the same time and both will charge बहुत जल्दी से. So yeah, I've been using this only since a while. Okay guys, so the next product is this bottle that I got from Amazon. It's from Home Center, and it's a small bottle. I think I don't know कितना ml की है ये, but I really like this bottle. It is very handy. अभी तो obviously lockdown है, I don't go to the gym, but when I used to go to the gym, I used to love carrying this bottle. And इसमें it comes like with this cover. It's a removable cover. So if you're putting something hot in the bottle, you can, it's very easy to hold it, and it's a very cute bottle and very handy. Can fit in your bags, purses, anything. So yeah, it's a very cute bottle. So I mean, actually I got 2 bottles. एक इससे बड़ी भी है, the blue one, which is a proper, what do you say, a 1 liter की bottle. I have that one also, but this one I like more because it's more handy. Okay guys, so the next product is this caramel coffee, instant coffee from Country Bean. It's my 2nd jar. Actually, my friend a while back, she made me try flavored coffee, and after that I got my hands on this one because Country Bean is a very famous brand. And yeah, I mean, I've been using this coffee. I got my 2nd jar and it is really nice. I usually like, what I do is, if you guys get your hands on this, don't use it as your coffee. You use your normal coffee and just add 1 tablespoon of this, वरना बहुत ज़्यादा कड़वी हो जाएगी, and it gives you the perfect caramel flavor. मेरे पास vanilla भी है, but वो it's a bit bitter. I did not like that much, but the caramel one is really nice. So yeah, I've been using this since. Another thing I want to tell you that I have been snacking on a lot is Fun Foods के soya sticks, the Manchurian flavor. It's a blue color packet. I get it and मैं हमेशा खा लेती हूँ. It gets over in 2 days only, so I don't have it right now, but I'm gonna put a picture on the video only to show it to you guys. जो blue color का Manchurian flavor Fun Foods के soya sticks, they are for 60 or 80 rupees and they are just so yum. It is soya sticks, it is healthy also, and I love it. It is so tasty. So yeah, it is my favorite snack. So if you guys love to try different snacks, do try that snack. Next thing I want to tell you, and that's the last thing for today, is okay, so I love to try different kinds of food. So if you guys stay somewhere in West Delhi, so there is a place called Tummy Section, which is near Subhash Nagar, and uska chicken shawarma. So I've been I take that shawarma, I order that shawarma. That place is like 30 minutes away from my place. So I order it a lot. Abhi lockdown की वजह से I'm not, because it's not safe. But I really love shawarma. I am a shawarma lover, and मुझे अलबेग का भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. But अलबेग is not this side, Friends Colony, Noida उस side पे है. So it's a good dupe for the अलबेग chicken shawarma, and sometimes I like it even more. So if you're a foodie, do try that shawarma as well. And that is the last suggestion I wanted to give you guys. And that's all for today's video. I hope that whatever I showed you guys and told you guys was helpful. And if you try any of the products or the snacks or the electronics or anything I suggested you. And if you like it and you do try it, do let me know or comment down below and tell me how you liked it. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, and I hope to see you soon.